shorter it may have been compared to their previous stints, this run proves that they can also be the fearless dragons. Thank you so much, Team Spirit, for your valiant effort and your time here at M7.
And now, Indonesia's last hope, Alter Ego Esports!
Congratulations, boys!
Makasih.
Makasih, gimana? Oh my God! Congratulations, Nino. This will be your second time playing in an arena packed with Alter Champs. The first time, unfortunately, you weren't lucky enough, but this time you are. How does it feel to have this victory with them? Apa rasanya pertama kali main di sini dengan arena penuh dengan Alter Champs? Pertama kali gagal, tapi kali ini berhasil. Apa rasanya, Nino?
Waktu berhasil rasanya merinding banget sih. Kayak setiap kill, setiap mati, setiap perang, setiap objektif, mereka teriak itu merinding banget sih.
Merinding ya?
Merinding banget.
Nino said that he was getting goosebumps in the venue every time there was a kill, every time there was an objective take. He felt the goosebumps because he could feel the energy from the entire arena.
I can only imagine because they play in the home crowd and every screen, everything, it just make them goosebumps. So Yasuke, with this win, you get to continue fighting for the World Championship title representing Indonesia. How do you handle this pressure, especially you are a rookie? Gimana nih? Kamu kan habis menang hari ini, terus kamu punya kesempatan nih untuk merebut title World Championship. Gimana kamu menghandle pressure kamu, sementara kamu itu pemain baru di Alter Ego?
Paling sebagai rookie, kita diajarinnya untuk selalu percaya diri sama percaya teman. Jadi gak bakal ada pressure apapun kalau kita percaya sama teman kita sendiri.
Okay, Yasuke said because he are working as a team, so no need to be have a pressure, just need to believe to the friends and be confident.
Boleh follow up question ya? We're gonna ask a follow up question there. Yasuke, still on Yasuke. Who taught you that? Siapa yang paling support Yasuke di tim?
Di tim?
Yes.
Kalau bisa, sebenarnya semuanya sih. Cuman yang paling support sudah pasti Coach Shaper.
Oh, okay, so
The coach.
the coach, number one supporter for that mindset that you were able to have here right now is Coach Zephyr.
Yeah.
All right, okay, so now we're gonna go to Nino once again. Nino, you won today, but tomorrow you will be facing a Titan. Besok kamu akan lanjut ketemu final boss.
Yeah.
Final boss M7 ya.
Yeah.
Apa rasanya? How do you feel about that matchup?
Perasaannya yang pasti seneng banget karena dapat kesempatan buat lawan XP yang paling jago juga kan di dunia kan. Jadi kayak nggak mau nyia-nyiain kesempatan ini, yang pasti aku main sama tim bakal lebih baik dibanding yang sebelumnya aja sih. Terus mereka kemarin ngalahin Onyx juga kan, ya kita bisa dibilang lumayan agak kesel juga karena partner kita juga kan Onyx. Cuman ya balik lagi kita eksekusinya aja sih nanti. Dan seneng banget sih sebenarnya ketemu sama Sanford.
Okay, so Nino said that he's very excited to meet Sanford because he considered Sanford to be the world's best. So he's very excited about that, to meet the very best. And he also mentioned that he was a little bit upset with TLPH because they were the ones to knock out Onyx, which are their brother in arms, they would say, here at M7. But all in all, he's excited to meet Sanford. Now, boys, gotta ask, did you guys see Oheb's post? Did you see the content with Oheb? Essentially, in that content, he said that Onyx sounds like trash. Dia bilang kalau misalkan Onyx itu kayak sampah. Apa tanggapannya, Nino? What's your thoughts on that?
Itu menurut aku gimana ya, kaget sih. Mereka ngomong kayak gitu tuh kaget karena ya aku ngeliat sendiri Onyx itu perjuangannya kerja keras banget kan. Terutama ya di turnamen sebelumnya juga dia udah kerja keras. Cuman bedanya dia lagi unlucky aja kali ya. Lagi gak hoki aja di match kemarin. Jadi ya mereka harus terima kekalahannya aja sih. Cuman kalau misalkan dibilang iya, enggak sih. Menurut aku sendiri enggak, karena mereka emang benar-benar tim kuat aja.
Okay. Nino said as his thoughts on that content that was created, he thought that Onyx has been through so much. They worked really hard, they tried very hard. It wasn't that they weren't good enough, but but maybe the preparation was just not as great. But in the moment, he does not think that Onyx is trash.
Because I believe all the player in here, all the team must be wanna show their best because they representing their country, right? So, Yasuke, how about you? Are you feeling lucky going up against Team Liquid and Carl TZ, the GOAT himself? Jadi gimana nih, berasa beruntung nggak besok bisa berhadapan sama Team Liquid?
Menurutku kita sebenarnya cukup beruntung sih ketemunya sekarang ya. Jadi nanti kita kasih lihat kekuatan kita segimananya. Salah satunya pasti akan pulang kan. Kalau sampai sih gue nggak mau sampai tim gue pulang.
Okay, so Yasuke said we will prove it. Who will be going home tomorrow? For sure, he said it's not alter ego.
No alter ego. So with that in mind, Nino, do you have a final message to the alter champs who are cheering right now up until this point for you guys? Ada pesan nggak untuk alter champs yang sekarang masih mendukung Nino dan juga teman-teman di alter ego?
Sebenarnya salut sih sama mereka sih, karena aku yakin kita juga di sini nggak bakal kayak gini gitu tanpa mereka. Mereka tetap support full, mereka tetap support dari atas sampai bawah, dari bawah sampai atas. Mereka solid parah. Mereka rela beli tiket, mereka rela buat dukung alter ego, buat buka suara. Tapi rasa capek dia semoga kita bayar aja sih. Itu yang bikin aku salut sama mereka aja sih. Agak merinding emang sebenarnya.
Nino's getting goosebumps once again. He feels honored that the alter champs came all the way here when they're at the bottom, when they're at their top. They were able to buy tickets just to support Alter Ego, and the only thing that he wishes is that he can repay everything that the Alter Champs has done for him and his team.
Because I believe also when they playing in the home crowd, it will be like buff for them to play better.
Absolutely.
And thank you so much once again. Congratulations and good luck for your next match. And now we will throw it to our